Welcome, Mickey. When we spoke to you at PDAC in March, you said that uranium stocks were going to have a big year in 2014. The first 3 months were great, but the stock prices of many of these names have slumped since. What do you think's happened?
Well, I did predict a big year for uranium stocks, and it so happened that PDAC was the high for my favorite sweet spot in that market, and that's the uranium, domestic U.S. uranium producers. What happened since then, the spot price went from $35 down to $28 for most of the summer, and there's not a uranium company in the world can make money at $28 uranium mining that at that rate. But what's happened since then, over the last 2 months, we've seen a 30% rise in spot uranium price, now at about $36.50. At the beginning of the year, I said I was hoping for $40 by the year, end of the year, and I'm hoping that will happen. What we have seen lately, though, is that the uranium stocks have not moved, so they're lagging the spot price, but we expect that to catch up soon.
One of the stocks you liked back in March was Fulp Minerals, symbol AVU on the TSXV. Do you still like this name?
Absolutely. Avrupa's made a massive sulfide discovery in the pyrite belt of Spain, along with its partner Antofagasta Minerals. The stock was recently financed at 25 cents. It has had a range this year as high as 34.5 cents. They're taking a hiatus from drilling. Will resume after the rainy season in Portugal, but we're very excited about that massive sulfide discovery.
What other juniors do you like at this time?
Again, I like uranium space. It's a very contrarian move. As contrarians, we have to have patience. I can't tell you when the uranium market is going to get better, but the supply-demand fundamentals are very compelling. There's been a lot of production come off at these low prices. So my favorite stock in uranium space would be Uranium Energy Corp. UEC on the U.S. AMEX, or what's now called the Market Exchange, New York Stock Exchange.
Thanks, Mickey. So how can viewers learn more from the Mercenary Geologist?
I can be reached at mercenarygeologist.com. Email address contact@mercenarygeologist.com. We also run a 24/7 streaming radio, which this interview, the audio portion will be on, mercenarygeologist.fm, and 38,000 followers. You should join our Twitter feed @mercenarygeo. I must mention, in the spirit of full disclosure, that I own Fulp Minerals. It is the sponsor of my website, and I also hold Uranium Energy Corp.
Keep up to date with all of your favorite small caps. Subscribe to our free newsletter and get daily investment ideas, breakout stocks, momentum gainers, expert and analyst stock picks, and more. SmallCapPower.com, investing ideas and research.